So, welcome everyone to our machine learning course. Today we start on a journey to explore the big world of machine learning, an important field in the field of data science. In this course, we will discuss into both the theoretical foundation and practical foundation application various machine learning model. Okay, so this course is helpful for GATE aspirants and also helpful for non-GATE aspirants who want to learn machine learning in properly way from basic to advanced. So first we discuss why machine learning. What is the importance of machine learning? So machine learning has become very important part in today's data driven world. Okay, it gives us to extract valuable insight from vast amount of data, enabling informed decision making and driving innovation across industry. Whether it is predicting customer behavior, identifying pattern in financial market, or analyzing medical data. So machine learning has a big role. Okay, but in our course, so in the GATE syllabus, okay, in GATE syllabus there is topic is two subdivision. First one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning. Okay, so we discuss every classification and regression algorithm or model in supervised learning. First one is simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, then ridge regression, then logistic regression. Okay, after that k nearest neighbor, then Naive classifier, linear discriminant analysis that is LDA, then support vector machine, and also decision tree is very important model for machine learning, then bias variance trade-off. Okay, after that we'll discuss different cross validation method such as leave one out cross validation, k-fold cross validation, and after that some deep learning part that is multi-layer perceptron, feed forward neural network. Then we also discuss many things of artificial neural network. Okay, after completion of supervised learning, we'll direct discuss unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, we'll discuss clustering algorithm such as k-means, k-medoid, hierarchical clustering, top-down, bottom-up, such as single linkage and multiple linkage, then dimensionally reduction, then after that PCA. PCA means principal component analysis. So it is the total GATE syllabus, okay, of machine learning. So after completion of the syllabus, okay, so we'll also discuss some extra thing which is important for you that not mentioned in the syllabus. So okay, after that, so our class would follow a structured approach. First one is the theory part. Okay, after theory part, okay, we will do some practical implementation of a different model. Okay, so in theory part, we shall begin by understanding the theoretical, okay, approach of each machine learning model. This include concepts such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, as well as the algorithm and mathematics behind them. Okay, in machine learning, mathematics is very important. So first we discuss mathematics behind them, then we discuss algorithm. After that, we'll do practical implementation. After complete the theoretical aspect, we shall we shall transition to the build and train machine learning model using popular libraries. Okay, as you know, different library in Python. So according to using the library, we'll build different models. Okay. Also from scratch, we'll build different models. So through hands-on exercise and project, we shall gain a deeper understanding of how this model work in real-world scenario. Okay. So after that, if you have a doubt, Our syllabus is only theory part. Why we discuss practical implementation? Okay. So, while theory provides the necessary foundation, practical implementation is where we truly solidify our understanding by coding and experimenting with machine learning model. We not only reinforce theoretical concept but also develop essential problem solving skills for success in the field of data science. Okay, for getting success in the field of data science, we'll definitely do some practical implementation. Okay, so I am very excited to start on this journey with all of you. Okay, so machine learning is dynamic and rapid evolving field, and there is always something new to learn and explore. There is something new to learn and explore. So let's dive in, ask questions in comment section, also in UX doubt in Telegram group or WhatsApp channel, and take a challenge. Okay, everything in life is a challenge. So take a challenge and rewards that gives us in the world of machine learning. Okay, so after that, first we'll discuss what is the difference between AI and ML and deep learning and data science. So artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning versus data science. It is a basic idea regarding AI, ML, DL, and data science. So, first, so, okay, so it is your AI. Okay, mhm, okay, so, okay, so it is your data science, okay, and it is deep learning, DL, and it is ML, okay, so and this is AI, sorry, AI, okay. So deep learning is a subset of ML and ML and DL is a subset of AI, that is artificial intelligence. So first you know what is AI. AI is a broad field of computer science. Okay, so AI is a broad field for large field of computer science focused on creating system of machines capable of performing tasks and typically require human intelligence. Okay, so you know some smart application. Okay, so there is some smart application such as smart application that can perform own tasks. Okay, that can perform own tasks. Okay, so without any human interaction. So example Netflix. Many of you use Netflix. So it is an application of AI. It is used for imaging recognition. Okay, okay. After that, also self-driving car. So self-driving car is also an example of AI. So in this computer vision model and image processing is used in self-driving car. So and after AI, we'll discuss ML. Okay, so ML is a subset of AI that focus on the development of algorithm and statistical model that enable computers to learn from and make prediction of decision based on data. Okay, so ML is a statistical analyze, statistical analyze and visualize, visualize. That is predict, predict and forecasting, forecasting, human testing. Okay, so after that we'll discuss DL, that is deep learning. So deep learning is a subfield of machine learning. So deep learning is a subfield of machine learning and that deals with algorithm inspired by the structure and function of the human brain's neural network. So it is work on neural network. That is deep learning is a multi neural network, neural network, and in this three parties there, that is ANN. We'll discuss ANN in very depth. So after that CNN, then RNN. Okay. So after deep learning, we'll discuss data science. Okay. So data science is a interdisciplinary field that combines domain knowledge, programming skill, and statistical and computational technique to extract insight and knowledge from data. Okay, so you have knowledge. What is the difference between AI and ML and DL and data science? So, in simply word, AI is a broad field, various approaches to human intelligence, including machine learning and deep learning. And machine learning focus on developing algorithms that learn from data, while deep learning specifically deals with neural network architecture. Okay, deep learning totally depends upon the neural network. Okay, and it is a part of or subfield of machine learning. So, data science involve extracting insight and knowledge from data using a combination of statistical and computational. Okay, so after that, okay, we'll go for next slide. So first what is machine learning. So it is the introduction of machine learning. So in machine learning, what is machine learning? So machine learning is the study of algorithm that improve their performance at some tasks with experience. Okay, simple definition of machine learning, that is you remember as a PT. P means performance, T means tax, and E means experience. So it is simple definition of machine learning, that is PTE. Okay, so machine learning is study of algorithm that improve their performance P at some task T with experience C. Okay, so in the traditional programming, when you do some programming in C++ or Java or anything in Python, so you give data and write program in computer and you will find the output. Okay, so in machine learning, you will give data and also give output to the computer and result is program. Okay, so in traditional programming, you give data and program gives output. In machine learning, you will give data and output gives program. So machine learning is a subset of AI that focus on development of algorithm and statistical model that enable computers to perform tasks without being explicitly programmed. The primary goal of machine learning is to enable computers to learn from and make prediction or decision based on data. Okay, so after that, okay, so types of learning. Machine learning are four types, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and semi-supervised learning, then reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning. Okay. After that, machine learning, you know ML is four part. Okay. That is supervised learning. Second is unsupervised learning. Okay. Third is semi-supervised learning. And last one is reinforcement reinforcement learning. Okay, so four part. In supervised learning, we'll discuss some supervised machine learning. We'll discuss first regression. Okay, then we'll discuss some classification algorithm. Okay, after that, in unsupervised learning, we'll discuss some clustering algorithm. Clustering is a part of unsupervised learning and association. Association. Okay. Then semi-supervised learning. It is the generative AI. Okay. Generative AI. So in supervised learning, you will give training data and plus desired output. Okay. So it is the part of regression and classification. Okay. Unsupervised learning, given training data without desired output. You will give only training data in unsupervised learning, and it is clustering and association is part of the unsupervised learning. Okay, then semi-supervised learning. You will giving training data a few desired output. Okay, in reinforcement learning, rewards from sequence of action. Okay, it is totally depends upon the rewards. Okay, so in our syllabus, supervised learning is there and unsupervised learning is there. So we completely discuss supervised learning and unsupervised learning. After that, we'll discuss also semi-supervised and reinforcement learning. Okay. So in supervised learning, so you have a doubt what is supervised learning, what is unsupervised learning. So supervised learning, we'll discuss with an example. So first, the example is Okay. So you know house spice prediction. Okay. In some town that is suppose Bhubaneswar. Okay. Bhubaneswar. So here your input is you give input. So your input is first is house size. Okay. After that you will give number of rooms. These are the features. These features depend upon the predict the price of house. After that location. Location also depend. Then okay. So, accordingly we'll get output. Okay. Output that is price. Okay. Suppose house size is 2500 square foot. Okay. The number of room is 4. Location is suppose Mumbai and price is 2 crore. It is an example. So if house size is 1800 square foot, number of room is 3.5 BHK, location is Bangalore, then price is 1.5 crore. Okay. So in supervised learning, here we give training data and desired output. Okay. So here we'll give house size and number of room and location. Then we predict the price of the house. So if you input house size 2500 square foot and number of room 4 and location Mumbai, then price is 2 crore. So it is an example of supervised learning. Okay, so it is part of classification. Classification. So output is fixed categories. So binary to multiple category. Maybe output is binary or maybe output is multi-layer. Okay. So, okay. After that, we'll discuss various function representation in this course. First one is numerical function, then symbolic function, instance-based function, also probabilis graphing model. So in this course, we'll cover first is neural network. Mm, okay, we'll cover linear regression also we cover, support vector machine also we cover, that is the classification and regression algorithm. Then we cover discernity, rules in proportional logic. This will cover in AI part. In AI, we'll cover rules in proportional logic and rules in first order logic. Okay. So instance-based function, nearest neighbor will cover, case-based will cover, and some probabilistic graphical model that is naive Bayesian network will cover. And hidden Markov model, probabilistic context big grammar, and Markov network will cover in AI. Okay. After that, various search optimization algorithm will cover in this course. That is gradient descent. So gradient descent. In gradient descent, we'll discuss perceptron, backpropagation, Also, types of gradient descent algorithm. Okay. Then dynamic programming, HMM learning, PCFG learning. And divide and conquer, decision tree induction will cover, rule learning will cover, and some evaluation computation, that is genetic algorithm, genetic programming, and neuro evolution. So we'll cover also some evaluation function, that is accuracy and precision and recall. So we'll cover every formula and how to predict accuracy, how to predict precision and recall, what is the use of precision and recall. We'll cover everything without any doubt. Okay, square error, likelihood, posterior probability. Also, we cover likelihood, posterior probability in Bayesian network. Okay, or Bayes theorem. Okay, then cost or utility, then margin. Margin we also cover in support vector machine. Okay, then entropy. Entropy will cover in decision tree, decision tree model, KL divergence. So we'll cover everything, that is the syllabus of machine learning. Okay, so in today's we'll learn first is what is ML, what is machine learning first, then what is deep learning. Okay, then what is AI, what is data science. After we discuss types of ML, types of ML, that is supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised, and reinforcement learning. So after that, we'll cover supervised, and then we'll also cover unsupervised, unsupervised, and discuss syllabus, syllabus. So in first introduction class, we'll cover this, and in next class, we'll cover your syllabus, start syllabus from linear regression. Okay, linear regression. So thank you.